Hello. Today's video will guide you through the resource hierarchies in Google Cloud. The linchpin of resource organization in Google Cloud is the project. Nonetheless, other assets such as project folders are instrumental in organizing, managing, and controlling these projects. Identity and access management, also known as IAM, is flexible and can be structured at various levels: folder, organization, or project. Then we have billing, which is isolated from folder hierarchies and just connects directly to projects. The top level root folder is called the organization node. The whole hierarchy essentially cascades downwards from the organization node, and permissions defined in the IAM are inherited at lower levels of the hierarchy. Let's look at the console to unravel how these elements intermingle. We'll take a close look at folders, organizations, projects, and billing. Kickstarting your resource hierarchy journey, navigate to the project dropdown and proceed to manage resources. Here's an example of a nascent project nestled under our organization. We can further create new projects, which would branch out under our organization node. If you don't yet have an organization set up, projects and folders can exist without an organization. Think about this case as the root organization node existing but being empty. If we're granted permissions like folder admin at the organization node level, we possess the ability to create a new folder. Having set up that folder, we can seamlessly transit projects into it. It's pivotal to note that nesting of folders is feasible, but be vigilant about overlaying excess layers of folder nesting. It's commonplace to witness resource hierarchies based on independent organizational units, or perhaps compliance motives, like bifurcating projects across US and Europe regions for regulatory compliance. In addition to IAM permissions, we can anchor organizational policies, which are guardrails for setting up and managing resources at multiple levels and have inheritance at lower levels of the hierarchy. As such, adding layers to your resource hierarchy won't disturb the applied IAM and organizational policies. However, deletion or relocation of hierarchies might influence your project due to alterations made to IAM or organizational policies. In our final question, we address the billing information, which is coupled with each project. It's possible to harbor multiple billing accounts within a single organization. These are fundamentally anchored at the organization level and are subsequently allocated to a project. They don't fit into our folder hierarchy. We forge these accounts and have the capability to assign them to our projects. We hope that this quick introduction has been insightful, and we'll keep an eye on the comment section for any questions. Thank you for tuning in, and please enjoy responsibly.